guys, Joe Man here. We are back with another video. Today, we are going to try and get a little more money. I don't know what to drive. Drive the rock bouncer. I haven't drove it since I got like this new stuff on it. Crap. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to leave a like on the video. And, yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's start. Oh, yeah, I made it yellow because I decided that's what's gonna be our color. Crap, I'm pretty sure I just seen something. And, I got the new set of tires on here. Yes, there's money. The box. Does it up? Worry about the power. Okay. Oh, well. Alright. Okay. Vroom, vroom. Okay. Okay. Alright. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I actually drove with that. Where did I just come from? Oh my goodness. Roll it back over. Pretty sure it maxed everything out on this. That was my mom. She just went, woo! Oh, let's try and climb this. Oh. Hey. Okay, climbed up. We're looking for crates. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I slid. Okay, I'm a weirdo. If I can see any crates, gonna get them. Okay. Oh yeah, guys, off camera, I got money too and stuff. Since we spent it all, couldn't really buy anything with it. Okay. Some YouTubers just play this game and then, like, they already have, like, infinity and beyond money. Okay. But I don't. I like to look for crates. Like, I don't actually, like, just to, like, just have it and then just like make something and be like, okay, that's the end of the video. And I like to do that. I like to do other things too. Okay. Like I like to look for like money, but like I'm just like I don't know how to explain it. Like I have to actually look for crates. I don't like want to do glitches and stuff like that. I don't want to cheat the game. I actually do stuff in the video. And okay, hold on. We're about, I think, to find a crate. Oh, front flip. No, no. Steer this thing back around. Okay, back around here. Okay, I'm over to. I think. Okay. Oh. Okay. I think we're gonna. Oh, it's lagging. Why is it lagging? It's lagging. No, it's not. Oh, I landed it. Oh, low gear. Low gear up. Oh, oh, I remember I tried to get up this and I couldn't because, yeah. Attach. Okay. It's kind of complicated. You have to hit toe and like drive up it. If I can't even get up. Oh. Oh! Come on, you can do it. Oh my gosh. Kind of bother. Oh my goodness. Somebody once told me the world was macaroni, so I took a bite out of a tree. It tasted kind of funny, so I spit it out a bunny and I started shooting lasers at me. Is that water? Hey, there's water. Oh, I've actually seen like a crate inside of the water before. Okay. Oh. 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 High gear, high gear, high gear. Clean. Oh no. It doesn't even look deep. Like, just look how deep it is. Right there. Okay. Oh, don't, no, no, get out, get out, get out, get out. What? It's lagging. I did it. Okay. Guys, we're not having very much luck. I think I might end the video here. Okay. This has been it for the video, and I'll see you all next time.